All right, well, this is the old, this is in the shed there. We're doing shed reno. This is the old wood log location. I have no name for it. Pretty much restack wood. There you go. All right, I took the old Steel 24 Super and did the old surgical cut, and I ran into some metal in there, of course, or something. Or maybe it wasn't metal. So I have like a shed walk where we go through what I'm trying to do, but basically this corner is like that way, 18 inches. I think I've decided that this post here that's dangling in the air down there is actually roughly in the right position in both directions. We're just leaning a little bit. You might not be able to tell, but right about where the light starts, we just we'll go way out. So anyhow, the plan was there's wire. They have wire everywhere. The plan was take out this whole corner. This here is just nailed in. It can come right out. It's not structural. As far as anything can't be around here. So anyway, surgical strike right here. No boots on the ground. And then I was going to dig this out. Well, where's my poker here? Look at right here. This right here is all fieldstone foundation. So why and how far down does it go? I can't imagine this was the end of the old shed. So I wonder if they actually foundationalized this whole thing. So anyway, I had a plan to put a post in to hold up the ceiling here, this beam here. That is holding up the roof, and I had added this thing to here, and we were going to put the old 4x4 down in there. Well, guess what? Now we're definitely putting the 4x4 on the fieldstone, because before my options was bare dirt or some concrete blocks or little pieces of wood like this place is being held up with right now. So we're going to see. But right now I'm going to clean up that area there and see what it looks like. I'm going to broom, and I got to pull that piece off too. And that there was like a full piece that this was all nailed to. And I hit it with a wooden stick, a wooden broomstick, like 3 times. And it just disintegrated like this. So this thing is, I don't think this is ground contact rated. It got built before Wilson. Okay, took that piece of wood out and found the concrete. It's concrete, I believe. It goes from right here on the left side of that tool, right there, over, all the way down through this big pile of junk. You can hear it. And then back up a big hill, up to here, around these wires, and then it continues down this way for some distance. I don't know why it ends right here. And I don't know where it picks back up over here. That is for the future. The old Steel 24 Super did the old surgical strike here. And let's see here. Well, this is falling apart right here. I mean, that's just one-handed little chops. This fell apart, and in fact, a big chunk of it right here came off when I pulled that off. So this is all rotten. It's all old, untreated. I mean, this is holding up the dang wall. I don't know if you can see that, but it's wiggling pretty good. This is now a nail pit. There's a billion nails. They use nails everywhere. There's 3 right here. There's 3 right here, you can see. I mean, you can see that one right there, and that one over here. There was 4 nails in here holding those wires while they were twisted. I don't know what that was all about. So that's a nail pit. It's going to get dug out, taken away, and buried somewhere. That dirt is accumulation, I believe, of bark and dirt off of firewood. And it's just full of nails, and I got little ones that like to play, and dogs. So I guess the goal here is this is all shot. You know, back to this post, I would say anything past that post here is shot. And this is a really nice solution they came up with. Just nail this board to this board and continue their post. So that's all coming out. There's a pesky little issue where the roof is being held up by this side. So I'm going to put a 4x4 on this concrete way down here and bring it up to here. My pointer, laser pointer, right there. Somewhere around here will hold that up. And we'll start tearing this roof out. The roof. We'll start tearing this corner out. This here is not load bearing at all, so we should be able to just blast that out of there. It is lightly integrated into this. The key piece here, this post, ultimately is part of this wall segment. As you can see, right? Meow. And there's no actual interconnect with the wall on the right, this one. There's my hand. There's no interconnect of that post to this wall other than some just nails, just kind of sort of rigidity. So the base doesn't look like it's in a horrible location. Maybe it's a little bit shifted, but not terrible. But this has just got to be beaten out and replaced. I mean, this wood is just whipped. You know, it's not treated and it's just sitting out in the open. Look at that. Oh, there we go. Right, and I mean, I don't know what's holding this side up, but probably nails. Probably nails. But look at this wood. It's not looking good there. So, all right, I'm gonna cut this off because we're at 7.5 minutes of boredom. I'm not a contractor, I'm not a carpenter, and I'm not a concrete man. So this will be very redneck, urban redneck style, because I'm definitely suburban more than I am rural. So we'll figure something out, doggone it. It will stand up.